A very warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Do hope you're enjoying your day at the show, and thank you for dropping by the Woodchop Arena. Coming up shortly, this is one of 5 World Championships we perform here at the Sydney Royal Easter Show. It is the largest woodchop competition in the world. This year we have 250 competitors, and twice the number of blocks that we cut a mere 5 years ago. We have 6 countries represented: Wales, Spain, Canada, US of A, New Zealand and Australia. And this event coming up shortly, the world's best axemen have been through some heats yesterday to reach this event and this final. Now, Lindsay, what are the secrets, the ins and outs of being a good tree feller?
Well, I think being very quick, light and nimble. You have to cut them board holes very accurately. Most of these axemen will cut each board hole down there in 4 hits and drive the board in, make their way to the top. They're very fit. This is the fittest axemen in the arena. They're the tree fellers.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, very warm welcome to the World Championship Tree Felling Contest. 325mm block on the top. This is for the 2017 Sydney Royal Easter Show Woodchop Competition. As I introduce the competitors, if you'd kindly give them a big round of applause, please. On tree 8 from Bellbird, New South Wales, at 23 years of age, his first time a finalist in the Tree Felling World Championship. Please welcome Blake Marsh. On tree 7, all the way from Vancouver in Canada, this is his 2nd year as a finalist, and he's the first Canadian ever to be in the Sydney Royal Easter Show Tree Felling Championship, Sterling Hart. On tree 6 from Wamuran in Queensland, he's been 2nd on 3 previous occasions. Please welcome Lindsay Hewitt. On tree 5 from Woodford in Queensland, a finalist on 6 previous occasions. Please welcome Joshua Adamson. On tree 4, 4th last year, a finalist for the last 3 years, 19 years of age. Please welcome Daniel Gurr. On tree 3 from Highsville in Queensland, 2nd 4 times, 3rd last year. Please welcome Brian Wagner. And on tree 2 from Deloraine in Tasmania, the current reserve champion. He's won this event 16 times. Please welcome Matthew Gurr. And the back marker from Wamuran in Queensland, the current world champion. He's won this event 12 times. He's been 2nd 6 times. Mitchell Hewitt.
Competitors, stand your loads. Get ready. 1, 2, 3.
Got them all away, let's see who can hit the top prize. And Daniel Gurr Here's the first one down on the ground from Tasmania, followed by our champion down there, Mitchell Hewitt on 1. Brian Wagner down on 3. That's Sterling Hart, the Canadian, up there on 3-7. He's ready. Right, come on, bring him along now. Daniel goes at the front line. Get behind the man now. This man had a race in the way. They're both up together now. From Canada, who's followed by Josh Adamson on 5. Let's keep him going now. Matthew go there. Let's give him a bit of encouragement, the only New South Welshman in the event. Young Blake, he's only 23 years of age and he's in this final. Come on Blake, you've got the crowd behind you. That's the way, let's keep him going. He's about to go. That's the way. What about a big round of applause? I think the champ down there has retained his title. Mitchell Hill, 3-1. Another great cut there from Daniel Girl, 3-4.
Boys and girls, the official result for the 325mm World Championship tree felling contest. First place, Mitchell Hewitt. Mitchell, you make your way onto the dais, please. Second place to Daniel Gurr. Third place to Brian Wagner. Fourth place to Sterling Hart. Fifth place to Joshua Adamson. Sixth place to Lindsay Hewitt. Seventh place to Matthew Gurr. And eighth place, Blake Marsh. Congratulations, and to make the presentation, if you'd please welcome the President of the Royal Agricultural Society of New South Wales, Mr. Robert Ryan, OAM. Thank you very much, Robert, for making your time available in this busy schedule. There we have the ribbon for first place, and here's the big trophy. Hold it up there, please, Mitchell. There we go. Second place, Daniel Gurr. Third place, Brian Wagner. Fourth place to Sterling Hart. Fifth place to Joshua Adamson. Sixth place to Lindsay Hewitt. Seventh to Matthew Gurr. And eighth place to Blake Marsh.
You know how the rest of the felt on these guys.
That's great, Robert. Thank you, man. That's it.
Congratulations to all the tree fellas. It's a milestone to reach a World Championship final here at the Sydney Royal Easter Show.